this na Baba Shek again, the people and defender and the political offender with the program Dodo.
Sierra Leoneans, what you will do for push this country go before? Wake up your body and do something.
This is not the program Dodo Clean with Baba Shek.
Oh, we never did. Wait for make this problem here so
Family, just like waiting I promise when I say today Monday, I will interview Rion Salon brother concerning a book where they write. So today in the studio, I there with my brother. Just like I have promised, today in the studio for can tell we one or two things them about in book and himself. And the book will just make a short, not just a summary of the book. It will can tell we so that they will urge you now. We not buy the book yet for buy the book. So today in the studio, I there with this my brother, very talented writer and an inspirational speaker, then a poet at the same time. So my family, this stone my own brother. So you will tell family I do and introduce yourself to them.
Family una do una kabo. My name is Ishmael Kamara, writer, poet, and inspirational speaker. I did in Holland and I there today with Baba Shek. I can talk more about my book, Winner 100 Golden Aussies, A Journey to the Promised Land. Thank you, Baba Shek.
Yeah, and so now lawyer, that's not the name of the book. 100 Golden Aussies and A Journey to the Promised Land. By that particular caption, we all know exactly which side he come out and which side he go, because we say a journey to the promised land. That means say he left a particular land for both side, whose side you will try for elevate yourself in any kind of way. So now that then I'm your own short way of define the title of the book. But him as the writer can tell you more about the book. But before they go to the book, I just want to let you tell me a small thing about yourself. Who's time you realize say you're not a writer?
Thank you very much, Baba Shek. Now a very interesting question. Like the people that we been sabbing me back home, they were surprised for say I don't become a writer. That will be like 6 years ago where I came to Holland.
So now from Holland, you realize say you're a writer.
Yeah, in Holland, yeah.
Hey, this salon, you never realize that.
No, I not discover myself in a salon. In Holland, yeah, I discover myself as a writer and a poet.
Okay.
Yeah.
How many years ago?
About 6 years ago.
Okay, about 6 years ago.
Yeah.
Okay. And when you talk about say you're not a poet and you're not a writer, how long it can take you for write one poetry and a book?
Well, like with poetry, writing is really diverse. You get poetry, we have poems. Like now, a poem can be a short one, it can be a long one. But poetry different from like when you write a novel or you tell somebody a life story, when a non-fiction. So poetry now more of inspirational thing. You know, they get a lot to do with music too. Like you can sit down, you think about something maybe from your past, you know, you get the inspiration. If you the creativity that live in you, you take pen, you begin write that story there. It can become a poem, maybe 10 lines or 14 lines, you know. But the poetry, every poet gets his own style of writing. Okay. So poetry they come more from a short inspiration.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, where can they write then thing here? How you can adjust yourself by your daily life?
Well, first of all, I begin write as a hobby, you know, like where you discover yourself, say, okay, somebody make you believe, say, yeah, you can write. So like, if I day alone, like I get something will bug me, I know if I walk, you know, I can take pen and paper, I write and down.
Okay.
I say,
so
write and down.
you just camper, you know,
yes,
right?
yeah, I write and down, you know.
And think about
yes,
that.
and if I get me free time, I can work on the poem, edit them, and make them proper.
Okay.
And then most times, I perform in poet too. then I can bring on a stage and perform am. So the response of people can make her trust the poem for carry and go before and for put her in a book. And you ask how long did it take for publish a poetry book? With my first poetry book, maybe you go kind of later. It not take too long now, between 2 years where I begin write a publisher. You know.
What inspire you? Where you can at this country for begin write poetry and write book there?
Well, my inspiration first of all, it come from, you know, the things that I don't undergo, the struggles, them, the happiness, you know, my background, you know, and the environments where I find myself in. And secondly, I was inspired by other people, like other writers, you know, like Paulo Coelho, for example. We write The Alchemist. You know, I read that book, I got inspired, like for beginning write my own story. Then people already around me when I write as them also inspire me. We are meeting in this country, when I Dutch people them. They also inspire me for that.
Okay, so how you can publish a book here?
Well, for publish a book, first of all, what I let people know, not to buy Sababu. Not to buy Sababu. You get from Meritam.
Okay.
You know, like my first book, Smile, a collection of poems. It be published in Wales.
England.
Yeah, Wales University.
Okay.
And it also published and Tom Cheeseman, a literature critic, a lecturer at Wales University.
Okay.
And a writer, a translator, they translate in Dutch, in German, in French and English. And I know one day Sabian. How I do meet Tom, how I do get in contact with Tom. We get with other brother where he writes in England, and them Alaji Sheku Kamara. He studied at Wales University, he studied literature. So Tom published and they first in young poems then. So then Alaji Sheku himself inspired me for write anyway. So now he introduced me to Tom. So Tom tell and say, okay, make like friend, send your manuscript. If you publish a book, we'll give it a try.
Okay.
So I be so nervous, you know, for the first time. So like I send my manuscript to Tom through email. So after 2 weeks, he sent me an email back. He said, I don't go to the poem them. He said they're publishable. He said they're really good.
Satisfied with
Yes, he's satisfied with them.
Okay.
So now so publishing they go. And yeah, not to buy Sababu for say Asabi you. You get to write something good. Because the publisher no go put a name per your book. Then when somebody go read them, they say na trash. So now a bad name for the publisher. Just like we did so Baba Sheikh. You know, just bring anybody in a program.
Yeah.
You know, at least you go look for certain quality them.
Exactly.
When your logo go para program they know say, oh yes, it's not quality.
Yeah.
So that's so publishing there. This way you said they do so not publishing.
Yeah.
So I always submit my work to publish at the one day sabi. So now by merit. You know, I don't know if you get for Candy, like for example, this is my second book. I don't know if you get
But
for
which
Candy.
one is your first book?
Smile, I know the first
Smile,
one,
the poetry
one,
book.
yeah.
Okay, now
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
then this particular book, now the
Second one,
second
yeah.
one.
Like this is a novel.
A novel, okay.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
first one in a smile.
Smile, yeah, now
In
poems.
a poem,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That first poetry book you write. How many poems they inside that book? The number of poems.
Yeah, I think about 23 poems, if I'm not mistaken. I think I be submit 25 poems.
Okay.
The publisher cut 2.
Okay.
We may not be getting very
So how
touchy.
long will it take for?
Well, it took me like 2 years for put the
Okay,
poems
for
them
put them
together.
all together.
Yes,
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
yeah. Because poetry, not so like for write a whole story. Every poem, now like every poem they come on your own. Every poem they come on your own. Every poem they come on your own. So you get like 23 poems inside one book. So poems then are short. So like for writing a novel, a whole story, where they take like 200 pages, for example.
Okay.
You know, where you get to tell the story from the beginning to the start and you're connected. So poetry is quite different from novel.
Yeah.
So now 2 different genres
Yeah,
I
yeah,
write.
exactly.
You know, so you get people already even write novel and they're not able to write poetry.
Well, the time when you go to school, you get interest in writing and reading or something. We can hire, you can get that inspiration. You see, this you for do.
Well, first of all, Baba Sheikh, I think reading and writing are something they run on my family blood, on my family line. Because my own daddy might be a teacher, you know, and as you ask why I've been small, I be like for read. And even for write, I think the writer believe in me, but because of the country, the opportunity, and not there for discover picking them, you know, we're not able for no say this picking a writer. Anytime you see you get picking, it begin write letter. Put that panel. Inspire and a writer. I be good in letter writing, even at school. I be the class 3. That subject we call letter writing.
Yeah, letter writing.
I've been very good in that.
Okay,
I be get 100. You know.
Well, just make I reflect my mind back. Myself,
Yes.
from class 3,
Yeah.
now myself begin do wetin is here to do. So
Okay. Yeah.
their artwork, them.
Yes.
I put them into vision.
Yes.
You understand?
Yeah.
From class 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, now myself
Yeah.
begin to do
So
it.
even there was a time like we at the class 6, you know, we begin the date. Now maybe they write letter for friends then. You know, if some friends at the list say they go see, they go laugh, you know.
Yeah.
Like where you want approach somebody, you know, make that letter and they understand. So that maybe they do them. So now that why they reflect back to that time day, so I look and say maybe the talent will live in me, but because of the environment, I not be able to discover myself. So now I kaya, somebody discover me say, as you like a writer, the way you talk, you the write. But one writer's workshop I be attend. That's how I discover.
Well, my family na the book this way my brother write we call 100 golden horses and the journey to the promised land. The name na Ishmael Kamara. So the book is now na the market for sale, and I dey advise each and every one of una lona go out there for go buy this book for promote your brother. And now, at this junction, we will continue the interview, but you can tell me a short summary about what's inside this book. But before that, this is my own copy you give me, and I tell him plenty, thank you for that.
Thank you.
And I give this pen for they give me autograph. Because you know, just give me a book, then also see your signature there. So
Okay.
now you go and now in front of the camera for say you don't give Baba check one of you novel.
Okay, Baba Sheikh, I tell you thank you for giving me this opportunity, like for signing the first book in front of a camera, you know, and I really tell you thank you and I feel honored. So I signed the book now. Okay, I'll give you a short note before I sign up. I will say you are an inspiration. Okay. You, Baba Sheikh. You are an inspiration. Keep it up. So now I sign up. Today now the date. Today will be the 9th.
Yeah, the 9th of February 2020.
So now you copy this, signed copy.
Thank
you very much. I appreciate you,
Yeah.
sir.
Well, the family, just like how I see, they don't sign them and they don't make a short description of Ulanami. So, over to you again. I want you give a short summary about this particular book.
Well, this is a book where actually, first of all, inspired by the struggles them way a lot of travelers and they go through. Because I hate for use the word migrants or migration because you know the world we all not travelers then.
Exactly.
With man we don't travel from here to Saudi. You know, people they travel from one place to the other for different reasons.
Yeah.
So now first of all I dedicate the book to the unfortunate traveler. If you open the book, yeah, I dedicate them to the unfortunate traveler. So now for anybody where they travel, regardless for what reason, where you left, who say you did where you travel, go to the other place, where you go undergo challenges them, or you undergo challenges them along the way. So now them people like that dedicate this book to.
Okay.
And I believe say every traveler, you know, gets a story.
Yeah.
Because travel is all about adventure.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's all about adventure. So if I go back to the book, I will summarize shortly.
Yeah, exactly.
My character in them Ibayoko.
Ibayoko. Now,
Ibayoko.
Iba.
Well,
the Iba na the name, don't the Yoko.
Yoko na his surname, yes.
So say Pulaka
Well,
na salon name or
well,
Africa?
what I
Or
would
just
say, now
think of-
an imagination.
Okay, just imagine.
Because this book, I write in metaphor.
Okay.
First of all, no place where they exist.
Yeah.
You know, all the places and I may make them.
Okay.
But the reader himself will able for know who's how they talk about
Yeah.
in your own mind. The reader they able for create your own pictures then.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
the name Iba Yoko, when I think I say okay, let's use a name we connected to, you know, my background, in Africa. You
Yeah.
know? So because like the word the name Iba, I believe say some country then they or African and they will get that name there. You know,
You know, I see
maybe
maybe
not the
na
way
Eba.
Eba, maybe not the way I spell am.
Eba, you know, say na Nigeria.
Nigeria no, but I don't know say it
Yeah,
come out, you know.
okay.
But the Yoko actually drive me back to Madame Yoko.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
Madame Yoko
Yeah.
actually now out of that concept they say okay,
Okay.
let I choose something we connected to my
To the
history.
country, yeah.
You know, to somebody we I don't know
Like a
if
great
we call
person.
her a hero, but a great
Yeah.
person. Because right now we did again some of him principle the way left. But I just use that surname the Yoko again to my character. So Iba Yoko, now a young boy we in mama died during the war. Now in country named Yugosoba.
Okay. You
So,
go sober.
yes.
That's like Creole.
Yes, that Creole
Yeah.
Yugosoba. He didn't
Yeah.
have the book. So when mama died during the war, Iba Yoko be small, now be a baby during an attack. So then kill him mama, the rebels them. Then from there, now papa raise him. So at the age of 10, one of your uncle, now daddy side, can adopt him for Kerango. Now look in town when you know the bigger town.
Okay.
So your uncle been there.
Yeah, like the city.
The city, yes.
Yeah.
But that your uncle dey na politician. You know,
Okay.
he educates a politician. But in papa, Iba Yoko in papa na palm tapa. Na just him way to live a simple life na the village. Na farmer na palm tapa. So he decide for give him picking to his young small brother Lego Mena.
This small boy that they get picking or
Yes, he get two
Okay.
picking and Mo and Soul.
Okay.
You know, Mo and Soul and Gina. 2 boy, 1 girl, 3 picking in the book.
Okay.
So it can take Iba after Iba and Mama in commemoration every year and Papa they do am. So he tell him brother say they take Iba can go to the city go give him better life. So but we can go Iba na house, he get him wife with Auntie Agnes, with Iba and Auntie. So okay, Iba go na the house now. His uncle no put her in school, he disappoint him. You know. So Iba be just a work na the house, you know, like a laborer, like a servant.
Yeah.
So you know, put her in school while young picking they go school. You know. So Iba Yoko become a picking where other picking them they laugh na the community.
Okay.
You know, so now so you grab up. But within them 10 and they try for educating self through in cousin them. When they study in a net.
Okay.
Especially Gina when I in cousin
Yeah.
in nephew. In niece, sorry. The girl picking at the niece, right?
Mhm.
So Gina they show him, you know, they teach her how for read and
Yeah,
write.
yeah.
So now so he learn small how for read and write. So in uncle while your uncle be a politician, a bogus man, you know, anything and they provoke people that we not get because in don't cause
Yeah.
poverty line, you know. So then while Iba Yoko becomes 16, he forced Iba for joining the army. By then a dictator regime began at the country. So because of Iba not go school, he sent and go to the army. But Iba not want join the army. So we go join the army. After 4 days of training, he escaped the army camp. He won't go to one party when Almami. So Almami na show him to one traditional healer where he say go to this part in them Karmoko Demba. He say we will help you for escape.
Okay.
So he go to Demba now. Demba now he begin send and now go. He say go yonder. He say them go help you for continue. He dey send am to other people. So now so
Okay.
Iba begin travel from hand to hand,
Okay.
place to place. So take he left in country when you go sober. He inside the abandoned city where he fall into the hands of one human trafficker. When Samir El Sheikh.
Okay.
Now in the villain of the book. So this Samir El Sheikh. Now he can take Iba now. Say he help her for going to the promised land.
But I hope say I no family with that Samuel El Sheikh.
Well,
Tony Ababa Sheikh, we get the same surname.
Samuel El Sheikh. No, in
Oh,
El
oh, in a
Sheikh.
Okay. El Sheikh.
El Sheikh, yeah. Not El Sheikh, El Sheikh. Thank you. So this Samuel El Sheikh, in I take Iba now, but while they go on the way, he abuse him, you know, physically, emotionally. So then he said they help him for cross, go to the promised land where Iba go get a better life. You know. So later, a lot of things that happen along the way where Iba go through. Let's just summarize.
Yeah.
So later, Samir facilitates the journey by boat. So Iba began for reach the promised land. Finally, but we reach, he be disappointed with some of the things then.
Okay.
We again for go start a new life.
Okay,
and
well,
promise land.
Maguali, it
Yeah.
happened.
Yes,
So
sir.
we don't want to continue with the story. Let's buy this book and we will see the address,
Yeah.
the website,
Yes.
and the number.
Yeah.
We will contact Ishmael in number DD.
Yeah.
We will contact them for
Contact me through WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Yeah. So then the other two I want to add, the story. These are just a short summary.
Yeah.
But within the book address, the book itself, the whole book,
Yeah.
it address the modern days problem that we face.
Yeah.
Address them in a
Okay.
metaphor. Like for example, domestic violence, sexual abuse, human trafficking, terrorism they inside the book,
Okay.
you know, stereotyping, all them kind of things, and they all the, you know, in one character. Yeah. Then the book, you also get a love story.
Oh,
You know,
okay.
so it's like a full package
Yeah.
of a lot of things them way they go on in life. So I think in a book way go inspire a lot of people them.
Sort of an adventure,
Yes,
romance,
yeah.
action,
Yes.
and other.
A full of
stuff.
a lot of you know, day-to-day
Yeah.
things that we they undergo.
Okay.
But at the end of the day, the story connected.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You connect all the dots there.
Yes.
Very good.
Yeah.
And what thing you can like for the way you need to write book?
Well, in my leisure time,
Mhm.
I like for play football, you know.
Okay.
Then I like for read.
Okay.
I do read a lot. I love reading. I love books. And yeah, I like soccer.
And this particular thing you do, like where you can take your time for the right, you know, can affect your family, like the people that really around you. Sometimes when you not getting time, you just sit on the right.
Thank you very
What you
much.
say that can affect them.
Thank you very much. A very good question. You know, with art, it's very difficult because anybody being an artist, you need a lot of time for yourself. You know, honestly, a lot of people in Fise isolate myself from them. Even even in Holland, there are people from the salon community. You know, because like when you they in creativity, you need a lot of time on your own.
Exactly.
And you dey go a lot with people that they in that circle there. So in that sense, sometimes I go there per work, I put my phone silence, you know what I mean,
Yeah.
for hours. So then people then go they call me and they get me and they say, but this Ishmael, they need pick call, this boy, what's he feel? You know.
Okay.
So they are now because of
Now one of them.
yeah, then see them they, you know.
facing
Yes,
right,
you know.
Okay.
Then even like families and back home, like we are busy like for develop myself in this. You know, maybe some family them will look say, this Ishmael, this he can give up for that. For can write something and you know. But for me, important for me in the first place. And number two, I believe say, you know, in the future, it will inspire young people the way they come up. And like I'll talk earlier, important for me too, you know, because I love doing it.
Yeah.
I enjoy doing it. I find my purpose in doing it. So it's very important, even though at times some family members they can find it disappointing, you know,
Yeah,
that
yeah.
oh why you know go do all that thing? Why I want to take this opportunity talking about family, you bring me back. I just lost my own big brother.
Oh, I'm sorry.
When
about that.
when I Lieutenant Colonel Alaji Kamara, maybe beaucoup people don't know say na be my own brother. We are just lost about 3 weeks ago. We did at the SLA, then just Beram, and it will give me a lot of support, you know,
Oh,
over the telephone.
Okay.
And I'm one of the people that we believe, we really respect what they do.
Okay.
And I just want to take this opportunity for, you know, observe am in this interview.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll just get a few moments of silence for the respect to that we brother that will be the loss. And let God give and good road and solid for him.
Amen.
Now back to the interview. You don't write 2 books, then the one are poetry, then the other one are novel. And then 2 books, and which one you feel say my favorite?
Well, books are just like when you dey give birth to a pikin, you know.
Okay.
Like beside my own pikin where I born, you know, my book then are like picking them to me again, you know.
Yeah, but you must
And-
get one we will say,
Yes,
this.
you know, but Papa check that you
You
say
understand?
Kumrano for the door aside, you understand?
Yeah,
eh?
too.
But like anyway, you're right. if you for answer your question, I must get I get an answer. I love my poetry book more, you know, because now my first book. I like what I say you first speaking. Because now the book will make I believe. You know, now I make I believe. Now I make I able write the big one. Now small one, a poetry book, 23 poems, but a big to me, important to me because now I open the door. You know, we make I able write this big one. You know, they like it today on 208 pages. You know, like Smile now be like 48 pages, but this is not 208. But I love Smile because
Guide them.
yes, but like if somebody we get, I know so we get people that we get the same talents now. We country, our community, we love for write. Which you first draft really write, no expect say the perfect. You know, they say which man and say write drunk and edit sober.
Yeah, exactly.
So when you get inspiration, just write.
Yeah.
You come back and edit them and make them better.
Yeah,
You know,
exactly.
so now me advise them there. Yeah.
And pan YouTube book read alright, so you can get any feedback from the people and we buy them or don't read them.
Yeah, like my first book, Smile, my poetry
Like,
book.
what kind of feedback we can get, now positive or negative?
Well, I get a lot of positive feedback from Smile, for example. Like Smile, people love the poems them so much. And for example, my publisher NCSF, he sent me an email, you know, where I get safe.
Okay.
He hold the book then so from England. He sent me an email, he said, I'm proud of your book.
Oh,
You
that's
know.
great.
And you're not supposed for do one.
Yeah.
You understand? You're not supposed for do one. Because in publisher. But it come back to me and send a special email, say I'm proud of her.
Okay.
And not only one, like now Holland and now Dutch in the right. Holland not to English speaking country.
Yeah, exactly.
Then they talk English but not to English speaking
Yeah.
country. Now Dutch in the right. Although me said they manage for right per Dutch, but now per English at the right at this moment. And for bring the work out now Holland in English, it's very, very difficult and bold.
Yeah.
So, but yet
Exactly.
still, I able to sell a lot of copies them of Smile now Holland. So now it's success.
Yeah.
People embrace them. For this new one, 100 golden noses, it just come out 1 week ago. So people still get for read them, then they buy them, and later they go begin give me the feedback. But I already get 2 reviews them. One of me reader, he snap the opening of the book, he paste on our Facebook. He say let people give applause for the opening of this novel.
Okay, that's great.
He say the opening of the novel touch him.
Oh.
So I'm happy for that review. So I still wait and see. And I open to critic, you know. I open to because if you're not criticize you, they become better.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
yeah,
I open
yeah.
to everything.
Exactly.
So yeah.
And whose category of books them we can write now? Adult books them or now picking book them?
Well, I dey write from young adults
Okay. So,
till above, yeah, like
okay.
from 18, you know, even adolescents a little bit, and they will read my
Okay.
book. Like 16 to young adults, then upwards. But I only write children's.
Okay, what do you feel say it takes for write a good book? For make a good story?
But what do you take for make a good story? Oof, a big question. Thank you. And now the main question is by writing,
Yeah.
because you know we get millions of titles. Then people in the right, we get a lot of writers. Then, and I want to say this: the writers' world, you know, easy for breakthrough. You know, easy for breakthrough. For let write book a breakthrough. You know, easy. Now a well competitive market, a well competitive world. But for write a good book, for tell a good story, first of all, it take a lot of imagination, you know, and you actually get for try for know what's going go on around you in real life.
Yeah.
Then the second thing, you get for get patience. You get for get patience, not to like I just want publish.
Yeah.
Like for example, waiting like I publish like 2 books then within 5 or 6 years. Now because like the one a poetry book, because me I write two different genres then.
Yeah.
You know, not to every writer they write different genres.
Yeah.
I write poetry, I write novels. So in that sense, I can able to publish a novel and poetry book at the same time. So that gives me a little blessing way
Yeah.
make I go fast.
Yeah, because some people
Yes.
when they say novel and novel.
A novel, yes.
When they say poetry and poetry.
Yes, but you can't forget the talent, you know.
Yeah.
If God bless you with 2, okay. But like my novel, it takes 5 years. This novel, 100 Golden Noses, it takes 5 years for
Okay,
writing.
for write them.
I take 5 years for writing and publishing. 5 years.
How much chapter we
Now 12 chapters.
okay.
But the chapters are long.
Oh,
Now
okay.
208 pages.
Okay.
And about 75,000 words or so.
Okay.
You know. So it takes a lot of patience for bring a good book out because you get to go through proofreaders, then then process and
Exactly.
Yeah,
So
so
you need just write down.
no, not about just one publish.
Yeah,
you have to go for the quality.
Yes, exactly.
And before traditional publisher pick her up, like me, I'm published traditionally. Really easy because a lot of people in the submit manuscript them thousands. So for let them take your own.
Yeah, exactly.
You have to really be good and you have to believe in it.
Yeah.
So that's so.
Yeah, well, I can ask you one last question, and you will give the final word after you answer that question. Where the small way you come up, waiting have the inspiration for become like waiting you feel say you want become where you be. Wait till you don't be writer, so wait till you feel say you want become.
Well, my first dream I ever get, we did a grab up for become a football trainer.
Okay.
Because football, I've been one of the talents that I discovered while I've been small, like I've been play ball in a way,
Okay.
So my first dream I for become a football trainer. Even when I come Holland, the first thing I followed na football.
Okay.
I played football here for like 5 seasons. I became champion with Excelsior Maslaus in 2016. So then I do a short football training course for train picking them, and I give training to picking them. So, but later I can't realize, I'm not able to realize that dream then I have. Because it's very high competition, for becoming a professional trainer now.
Exactly.
So I turned my dream around from becoming a football trainer to a full-time writer.
Okay, so you will tell family the final word before you say tata.
So my final word they go to especially young people from Sierra Leone, picking away born na Europe, picking away born na Salone, young students them, our learner embrace reading and writing. Because not only through reading and writing we're able to tell we future stories. So we don't picking away they come. Maybe we don't prepare them yesterday because they're not been fortunate for able to actually get the opportunity for me to get like 80-90% of Sierra Leone and the way they read and write day to day. We're not able to know what thing them they do yesterday because they're not left a diary. So when they come, Lord begin take diary. Not so everybody go be writer for published book, but Lord begin writing a diary what will happen with we day to day. So if we pass away, we begin and we take that diary day and see what Papa be they do. So then they able to take them from there and continue. And then they will able to develop a better nation tomorrow. So and I want to inspire una for read more books. Una read. Una left too much internet. Take a book, read. You're able to learn more from the world. Because reading books, they take you into the world of the writer. And they take you to places that we not ever be. So my own advice Zande we I get. And my last word for now from people in a salon and una support writers and from Sierra Leone. Una buy them book. And una buy me book, 100 Golden Horses. A Journey to the Promised Land. And they book scout. Una tata.
So I tell you plenty thank you for this wonderful interview, and I look forward for they write more books them and for the Economy Studio for more interviews.
Inshallah. By God's grace.
Brother.
Thank you very much, Baba Sheikh. Thank you. Una tata.
Sierra Leoneans, what's the way to do for push this country go before? Wake up your body and do something.
This is not the program Do Don't Clean with Baba Sheikh.
Oh, we never get